Welcome to Zalwora, your trusted source for easy and insightful analysis. Today we dive into Polkadot, or DOT, a blockchain platform many see as the future of seamless interoperability between blockchains. Imagine a web where different blockchains no longer work like isolated islands, but communicate freely, securely transferring data and assets without middlemen. This vision is becoming real thanks to Polkadot. Founded in 2016 by Ethereum co-founder Gavin Wood and others, Polkadot launched its mainnet in 2020 and has since evolved to tackle scalability, security, and decentralization like no other. Whether you're an investor looking to understand DOT or a crypto enthusiast curious about next-gen blockchain tech, this 1 hour deep dive will break it all down for you. If you love clear, insightful crypto analysis, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an episode. Now, let's begin unlocking Polkadot's story. Let's start with the basics. Polkadot is a next-generation platform built to solve one of crypto's biggest issues. Most blockchains work on their own, cut off from each other, with no way to share information. At the center of Polkadot is the relay chain. It's like the backbone of the system, keeping everything secure and connected. Plugged into it are parachains, specialized blockchains created for different purposes, like DeFi, gaming, or even identity verification. Polkadot also bridges to external chains like Bitcoin and Ethereum, enabling cross-chain asset transfers. The native DOT token has multiple roles. 1. Governance, letting holders vote on upgrades and treasury spending. 2. Staking, securing the network. 3. Bonding, leasing parachain slots. Nearly half the DOT supply is staked, demonstrating strong investor participation but also reducing liquid tokens available. Technically, DOT's charts show bullish momentum. MACD has crossed favorably and RSI is recovering from oversold levels. Recent price dipped about 0.63%, making 3.81 an important support level. Polkadot's vision is bold, building a multi-chain Web3 future. With the upcoming JAM upgrade in Q4 2025, it's aiming for an incredible 1 million transactions per second. Institutional confidence is also growing, marked by 21 shares launching a Polkadot ETF on the DTCC. And within the community, there's strong backing for a DOT-based stablecoin pUSD, though there's still some caution around the usual risks of stablecoin volatility. Let's rewind back to 2016. The crypto world needed an upgrade, a new way to connect blockchains securely and effortlessly. Gavin Wood, co-founder of Ethereum, who gave us solidity and the word Web3, saw the problem clearly. Blockchains are like isolated islands. They can't exchange data easily, which limits innovation. Together with Peter Zabin and Robert Habermeyer, Gavin Wood laid out the blueprint. The Polkadot White Paper, a detailed, forward-looking vision of a multi-chain future, where different blockchains could work side by side, share data, and build on each other's strengths. In 2017, they launched their ICO, raising over $144 million. There were some bumps along the way, like wallet vulnerabilities, but the team pressed on, turning those early challenges into momentum to keep building. May 26, 2020 marked a historic milestone, the launch of Polkadot's mainnet. Using a proof-of-stake model, validators began securing transactions and DOT tokens officially arrived. By 2021, the ecosystem blossomed with parachain auctions, allowing projects to lease slots on Polkadot, creating a vibrant, growing network. And by 2025, community votes led to a major upgrade, a cap of 2.1 billion DOT tokens. This move aims to bring scarcity and boost long-term value, one of the most powerful strategies in crypto. Now, what makes Polkadot so powerful? Think of a spider web. The relay chain is the backbone, securing the entire network using a system called nominated proof of stake. It acts like a security guard, making sure everything stays honest. Branching out are parachains, independent blockchains built for specific tasks like DeFi, gaming, or identity management. These are like dedicated lanes on a highway, each optimized for its job. And connecting to other blockchains, Polkadot has bridges, allowing assets and data to flow to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and beyond. That's true interoperability. The DOT token fuels this ecosystem. Governance votes, staking to secure, bonding slots for parachains. Over 48% of DOT is already staked, an impressive sign of community faith and commitment. The Treasury, funded by fees and inflation, supports ongoing projects and ecosystem growth, powering the future of Web3. Let's look at the market's pulse. Currently, DOT trades around $3.91 after a slight dip to $3.81. The MACD indicator recently crossed upward, bowing hopes of a rebound. RSI, which measures overbought or oversold conditions, is climbing out of oversold territory, suggesting buyers are stepping back in. Support levels sit at roughly $3.80. If it holds, the next move could be higher. Looking ahead, patterns on longer charts hint at a potential breakout from a wedge shape, with targets for the coming months rated between $4.80 and $6. Markets are unpredictable, but technical signals often help us understand possible future moves. Polkadot envisions a web, what they call Web3, where multiple blockchains operate as a single decentralized universe. One of their trailblazing projects is the JAM upgrade, expected in late 2025, which aims to handle 1 million transactions per second, making Polkadot a true cloud for decentralized apps. Polkadot 2.0 brings elastic scaling and flexible block timing, optimizing resources and performance. The goal is to create a platform like a giant, secure and scalable internet for all kinds of decentralized applications, streaming, gaming, finance, and more. Plus, their active community of developers and ongoing governance proposals keep this dream alive, moving quickly. Now, let's look at what's happening right now. Recently, institutional interest in Polkadot has surged. The Polkadot ETF, named T-Dot, is now listed on the DTCC. This is a big deal, as it signals that serious investors are paying attention. However, regulatory hurdles remain. The SEC recently withdrew several crypto ETF applications, which adds uncertainty about when these funds will hit the market. Meanwhile, the community is excitedly backing a new stablecoin project, pUSD, which is fully backed by DOT. With 75.4% of the community voting in favor, it's clear that there's strong support for this initiative. But, remembering the collapse of Terra USD, many remain cautious about algorithmic stablecoins, a risk not to be underestimated. Price-wise, DOT is navigating volatile waters, with a blend of cautious optimism driving sentiment. No investment journey is without risks. Regulatory uncertainty casts a long shadow, with delays in approving crypto ETFs potentially slowing institutional inflows. Price volatility remains a clear challenge, with recent dips reminding us how quickly markets can shift. The pUSD stablecoin, while promising, carries inherent risks. History teaches us to approach these projects with caution. Competition is fierce too, with Ethereum's Layer 2 solutions, Cosmos, and other blockchain ecosystems pushing their innovations hard. As always, staying informed and prepared is your best defense. So, what's the bottom line? Polkadot is a pioneering force in blockchain interoperability, anchored by innovative technology and a vibrant community. Its evolving architecture and tokenomics reforms set it apart as a leader in the race towards a truly decentralized Web3. But, like all pioneers, navigating regulatory and market challenges will be crucial. We hope this deep dive gave you clear insights into Polkadot, empowering you to make smarter investment decisions. Thank you for joining us here at Zalwora, your trusted guide to wealth creation, stock markets, and crypto. If you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more deep dive analysis every week. Please visit www.zalwora.ae for detailed report. Link in the description below. See you next time and happy investing.